These will be little windows in the grain elevators where there's a junction of something dropping into the elevator buckets. You'll now be able to see them picking up that, mostly for spectators. I like these little round windows because they remind me of portholes, and there's sort of a nautical, because you're down in the river and that sort of thing. I like that. So it's pretty simple. We make a router template that pops into the pine grain elevator. This is what holds it in down, and this is where the acrylic glass sits. So if it ever gets broken, you can replace it. So I just have to cut the acrylic and make one more of these. Anyway, anybody watching the old screws, you wanted to see what they turned out like? That's the old screw. That look old enough for you? Thanks for watching.